Is Paris hosting a WWPLA this year or next year? Welcome everyone to Wrestling Insights after a long time for latest WWE news and updates. The first news is, do you know everything about Corey Graves? But now Corey Graves have deleted his full post in regards to his commentary frustration. We still don't know about what's happening with Corey Graves, WWE, and what's happening with NXT. But we have to wait for the updates upon Cody Graves and WWE relation. Coming to the second update, Logan Paul says if Nick Khan can match the $250 million offer is received to fight Conor McGregor, he won't consider stepping away from WWE for a certain period of time. This means if the fight moves forward, then he'll step away from WWE for a certain period of time. We all know that Logan Paul and Conor McGregor have a fight yeah, for $250 million at stake. Coming to the third update, Cody Rhodes has been awarded with the following 2024 PWI Awards: Wrestler of the Year, Most Popular Wrestler of the Year, Inspiration Wrestler of the Year. Congratulations to Cody Rhodes. Coming to the third update, and it's a big breaking news. WWE and TNA Wrestling today announced a multi-year partnership aimed at creating unprecedented crossover opportunities within WWE and TNA programming for NXT superstars and TNA wrestling stars. And the fourth update is Mustafa Ali is the 2024 PWI Indie Wrestler of the Year. Regarding to the TNA deal, here Triple H what reacted. Triple H said massive news for everyone, WWE and TNA. Most importantly, fans around the world, the valuable partnership will help prepare both the companies for the next generation of this industry. Coming to the fifth update, Triple H Chelsea Green says that Triple H makes women feel equal to men. Yes, this is what Chelsea Green said. In this new era, I know that I come to work, I love my job, I feel safe, I feel supported. Triple H makes women specifically feel absolutely equal to men. We are out there main eventing WrestleManias now, something that unfortunately the previous era didn't get to experience. But they set the table for us and now we are sitting at it. We are enjoying these amazing meals and I couldn't be happier. This is what Chelsea Green says. This is what Chelsea Green said. And this is the big update from WWE that WWE will host a WrestleMania press event on Super Bowl weekend 8th of Feb in New Orleans, the host city of Super Bowl 59. Just like last year, they hosted WrestleMania press event. This is all for today. We will meet tomorrow with the new updates and new news. Till then, subscribe and like my channel. Goodbye.